yeah, she drops. She drops a lot. Let me. Oh, I'm on fire.
You're lighting it?
Sure.
No, you didn't.
Really nice if you stagger thunder.
Oh, you die!
Oh, wow.
Still light.
There's some barrels out here. I'm gonna trip mine. Oh, that's a saucy one.
A gabagoo.
A gabagoo.
Play it again, Mr. Piano Man. Eat its head again.
Hey, can you guys let me in? Oh, never mind.
Yeah, but get that.
Ah, man. I meant to pick up the ammo thing. Oh, you jerks.
Shotgun right in the chin.
Your duties.
Oh, what? Trip mine by that window. That's me.
It's only like bleeding. It's like so much.
Or trip mine by that window.
There's this little sign with a picture that has a derringer shooting, an X over it, and a little guy singing by a piano. It's like, please
Don't shoot the piano, man.
Oh, please don't shoot the piano man with the derringer. This happens every week. Who is getting rid of the barbed wire?
This is where we have healers.
We also have people rushing through, if that's the case.
Hey, I'm a concertina trip mine this door. Is that okay, or?
I mean, I ain't gonna tell you how to live your life.
Oh my god!
Out the window?
Where's he at?
Okay. No?
Oh, there he goes.
Whoa. No.
Where did I get that thing?
Downed him.
Wow.
Burning him. That was a hit. Whoa, we threw something in.
There's two northwest. Down low. Nothing else.
From the street down there. Did one revive? Because I thought you downed one.
I downed the guy who was getting revived. Woo.
Pepper.
Where
I heard someone use stairs.
Ladder, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, right here, in between the buildings.
Hit him once. Oof.
Yeah, there's 3 over there, southwest.
Okay, Lana. Sheesh! They took my door, dang it.
Here. One's closing the gap north.
Anyone else have dark sight or just me?
I have 4 seconds. Want me to do a spinny? Okay, they're all up.
Okay.
270, one lower, 285 in the higher building. And then one north.
That's the door.
Yeah, one straight north.
He hit one of my traps, baby. He hit another one!
Well, he's down 2 health pips.
One's over here.
Okay, I'm watching.
One's outside right by me.
Station bad.
They're throwing it.
Or I'll pull top first.
Oh, lol.
Oh, I heard one 195.
Come on, guys, you know you want to come in the front door.
Yeah, I hear him. Right on me.
Is that you?
No, that wasn't at me. I think he was killing an armor.
I still got 2 seconds left to dark side. Should be
Same here.
What to do?
I'm a concertina trip mine this door.
Oh, for real.
So it's right there.
You jangler? Is that it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a quick scan.
Okay.
1 north over there, and then 2 over there.
How high north? Like in the building or
I
on the
think out in
ground?
the street, if I'm honest.
North and where? Behind us?
North and, like, toward where the piano is. Kind of southeast.
Okay, so even if he had a 50 health bar pip, it is likely gone.
Yep.
Because he hit those pretty quickly in succession.
Okay, it sounds like they're wrapping background north.
Show yourself.
Oh, no. This is probably the worst possible time, but I'm
They're
gonna
throwing beads.
stream my game for a moment. We're surrounded by a 3-man team outside.
Hit him once.
Right in the middle. Yeah, we that's up with the zombie.
He's getting attacked by zombies.
Oh, I just killed the zombie, I think.
He's running up on the stairwell. Might be by the window by Jeremy, I think.
It's like a chaos bomb.
Out the window. Right here. I saw him.
What, downstairs?
He just set a trap. Where art thou? Dang it.
Did he open the window back
He's
up?
in this
Yeah, he
building.
did.
Hit him once with the shotgun. Oh,
Heckin' nice, bruh.
is that you?
Oh, coming in downstairs. Got her.
Nice.
Thank you. Out the store.
Got the other guy.
We are clear.
Okay, nice.
Nice push. Thank you, Port.
This
for
guy had dual
letting us focus.
derringers.
Dual derringers?
Or dual Bornheims. Like,
Oh, okay.